In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to trade without losses, even as a complete beginner. In this video, you're going to learn a secret trading platform no trading Google wants you to know, because if you know about it, you won't even buy their course. You won't have any business to do with them. So let's get right into it. See, which people are this video for? This video are for those that are tired of losing trading capitals, are for those that have no time to learn about trading charts and psychology and all that garbage. You don't have that time at all. You don't want to learn any strategy for trading. You just want to make money online. That's all you want. You just want to make money online on this trading space, and you just want something that actually works. You don't want to try different strategy and fail. You just want something that is straightforward and actually works in the trading space. See, if you watch this video to the end, you're going to learn. I'm going to guarantee you that you're going to learn this. You're going to learn how to trade without losses. You're going to learn how to earn from trading losses. So even if you lose your trade, you're definitely going to make money from it. And you're also going to learn how to trade on autopilot using AI. So even if you don't want to place any trade, AI can trade for you and you're going to make money. See, I used to be like most people, excited to start trading Forex. We have all been there. We are very excited because we see big numbers on the screen of people turning $10 to $10,000 in less than 2 minutes. We have seen a lot of videos. I have been very excited to start Forex trading. I've watched a lot of YouTube tutorials. I've bought signals. I've even tried demo accounts. I've tried everything. But when it came to trading with my real money, let's say when I found my account, I either lost it or I didn't even know how to trade or even how to even start. And that's because trading can feel very scary. Chart looks complicated. You don't know how to place trade. You don't know stop loss and all that. And also signals are confusing because they'll say enter at this dot 1 point, so dot, all that garbage is very confusing. And worst of all, you need to fund your account with real money just to be able to make profit. And even if you fund the account, it doesn't guarantee you're going to make profit, because that's how this trading space is. But this has been a major issue for me. I've always been searching for a way to actually pass through this issue, because I just want to make money in this trading space without stressing myself. And actually, that actually changed when I stumbled on a trading platform that changed everything forever. This is the new type of trading platform called TRADEAZI. A trading platform that actually pays you to trade no matter the outcome. If you win, you lose, you're definitely going to make money. And here's how TRADEAZI works. When you win a trade, you earn $10. When you use AI to place your trade, you earn $7. And even when you lose the trade, you're still gonna earn $5. And guess what? You can trade up to 10 times a day. Now, let me explain. Let's say you traded and you got 3 wins, which is $30. Then you got 4 AI trades. AI trade for you and you got 4 trades, and you make $28, and then you made 3 losses, which is $15. In total, you have made $73 for that day with 0 capital at risk. You are not funding any account, you are not doing anything. You win, you make money. You lose, you make money. And even if AI places trade for you, which AI is always going to win, you actually make money. So now let's say you made an average of $70 every day for a month on TRADEAZI. That's, if you do a calculation, $70 times 30 days of trading, that's over $2,000 that you have made in a month. And the most impressive and interesting part about it is that you can have multiple accounts. So let's say you want to scale to $20,000. You just need to open 10 accounts on TRADEAZI and you start making $20,000 every month without stress. See, I've been able to make big figures like this on consistent basis using TRADEAZI. I've been able to make earnings like this every day on each account. So I run multiple accounts, making me roughly around $69 to $99 every day, because I can trade only 10 times a day on every account. That means every one account I can only trade 10 times a day, and the most I can make in a day is around, if I win all the trades, that's $100. So for me to scale it, to start making 6 figures, I have to get multiple accounts. So roughly, for my calculation, you can make around $69 to $99 on each account. So I have multiple accounts. So I have over 20 TRADEAZI accounts. Each one makes me around $90 a day. So let me explain. So if I make $90 a day, because I'm very good at trading, if I make $90 a day and in my 20 accounts I'm able to make $90 each, that's about $1,800 every day, which adds up to over $54,000 every month trading on TRADEAZI platform. So you can look at that screenshot there. I made over 90 USD, which is $90, and this is what I make on different accounts. So if you just need to do the calculation, if I'm making $90 for one account and I withdraw it through USDT, that means I'm receiving $90 20 times. That's over 1,800 USD every day for life. Yes, that's how it works. And I scaled it to actually make over $54,000 cooling every month in my account without stress. See, if you want to do this too, if you want to start making 6 figures, you want to start making 10K, you want to start making 20K, you want to start making 50K, 100K, $1,000, you just need to sign up with TRADEAZI platform using the link in the description, and then you open multiple accounts, and then after opening multiple accounts, you use multiple crypto wallets to withdraw. You have to use different crypto wallets to withdraw. You get? So you just need to sign up, then you open multiple accounts, and then use different crypto wallets to withdraw, and you can scale to 6 figures on TRADEAZI. So why should you actually join TRADEAZI platform to trading? Why should you join TRADEAZI rather than your other platforms you trade for? I don't think I really need to tell you that, because you already know the answer. But why? Let me just show you why you should actually join TRADEAZI and start trading on TRADEAZI account instead of trading on the normal trading platforms you know. So with TRADEAZI, you can easily scale. It's easily scalable, meaning the more accounts you have, the more earnings you can make. If you start with 5 accounts and you're making like $70, that's you're making $50 every day from 5 accounts, and you can scale. You just need to get more accounts and more accounts to start making more money and more money. You don't need to learn trading or anything. And also, they allow for daily withdrawals. Withdrawals are done almost instantly, and the minimum payout is $10. So if you make at least a minimum of $10, you can withdraw immediately and get paid to your bank account. And thirdly, you can earn from trade losses, which a lot of people struggle with. A lot of people, when they trade and they lose their money, it's gone. But with TRADEAZI, even if you lose your money, you are going to make money, which means you earn from all trades you make from this platform. And let me explain this a little bit. You don't fund your account, like you're not funding your trading account. It's not as if you trade and let's say you lose $100 and then they'll give you $5 out of $100. No, you just need to place trade. And even if you just get your TRADEAZI account, you just place trade. And even if you lose your money, even if you lose the trade, you are not even trading with money. If you just lose the trade, they will give you $5. You get? It's not like the normal trading platform that if you lose the trade, they will remove the money. You get? This one, you just need to study the charts and just place your trade. Anyhow it comes out, if you win, they'll give you $10. If you use AI to trade, you get $7. And if you lose, you get $5. You're not funding your account, you're not doing anything. You just need to get a TRADEAZI account. So if you want to get started, you want to start making money with TRADEAZI, you want to start balling, you want to start making money, you want to scale to 10K, you want to scale to 50K, you just click the link in the description or pin comment to get started, and I'll put you through on how you can actually sign up with TRADEAZI platform and start making money and actually scale to 6 figures every month with TRADEAZI.